Welcome back to the channel. Yeah, let's go. Fucking A. Thanks again for every fucking view. All the comments. Appreciate it. Yeah. What do you think of the new shirt? This one's for Paul Cruz. Not just fucking around. Anyways, it's got a day tomorrow. Like I said, it's not, let's not make a big fucking deal. Anyways, it's just a fucking number. Anyways, a little of this. Yeah, anyways. Speaking of, got another big day coming up at the end of the month. More on that later. Fuck wads.
I'll be damned if I let you stop me. I'll be damned if I ever give up. I'll be damned if I ever quit. 'Cause if I ever quit, I'll be damned.
Yeah, welcome back to the fucking channel. Like I say, today you're gonna fuck around a little. I just did Triple X, so I think we'll do some, it doesn't fucking matter. Anyways, I hope you guys are well. Have a great week. I'm gonna fuck around my favorite movie of all time. Here we fucking go. What's up? Yeah, here to find some fucking replicants. I'm gonna hook you up to the machine, ask you a couple of questions. Let me know when you're ready. You ready? So yeah, we have this machine. Gonna ask you some questions, see if you're a fucking replicant. Question number 1. So one of your friends tells you to check out some country music.
I take him to the doctor.
Your neighbor, Jenny, invites you over for a swim in the backyard. It's a hot day. Only problem, no swimsuits. Jenny's not wearing one. She asks you to come in all natural. What do you do?
Is this testing whether I'm a replicant or a lesbian, Mr. Deck?
Yeah, they're just questions. And honestly, this ain't even a machine. This is a fucking wooden spot. Like, I got the fucking budget for fucking special effects. Anyways, last question. Somebody gave you the location of Roy Batty, supposedly. What are you gonna do?
Also, I'd report the person who gave it to me to the police.
Yeah, you better call the cops. That guy's a bad motherfucker. He's already killed. He's fucking dangerous. Thanks for answering all my fucking questions, lady. Now that I got a tip on this motherfucker's location, time to go get this son of a bitch. Listen, you piece of shit. No more running. I got your ass now. Roy, listen, you put up a good fight, but that's it. Nowhere else to go.
I've seen things you people wouldn't believe.
Yeah, it's the end of the line, motherfucker. I got you.
Moments will be lost in time. Like tears in rain.
Fucking A.